Friends, do you know that Gmail provides an important feature using which you can send a confidential mail or a mail with passcode? Yes, or if you want to send a mail to someone but you want the receiver cannot copy, forward, print and download the mail, then this video is for you. This is the fourth video by me in which I discussed about components or feature of Gmail account. In this video, I will discuss about confidential feature of Gmail account. The confidential feature of Gmail account let you send a mail which can only be accessed by an authorized person. An authorized person have to provide the authentication details or identity details to access the mail. Unless or until the authentication details or identity details is successfully verified, nobody can see this mail. Today in this video, you will learn how to create and send a confidential mail, or if someone sent me a confidential mail, how to check it out. So without devoting much time, let me take you to computer screen to learn these all concepts practically. Stay tuned. Hi friends, welcome to Online Shiksha. Today you will learn how to create, send and open a confidential mail or a mail with passcode. So for that, first of all, open your Gmail account. I have already opened my Gmail account here, as you can see, and then after move your mouse pointer to the left side corner here, you will see one of the option compose. Click this compose option. Soon you click compose option, you find one of the dialog box appears just like this. Here, for your kind information, I must tell you that I have already created one of the video in which I told how to create and send an email. To watch that video, you can click the link down in the description box. Here you have to follow all the steps as you create a new mail. You can see here this two column. In this two column, you have to write one of the valid mail. To see the effect, let me type my own email account here so that I can show you the proof also. So suppose I type suman.nwd123@rediffmail.com. Subject, suppose I give here the confidential mail, and then after suppose the message body I write there is a confidential meeting today at 4 p.m. in the meeting hall. This is the message body, and suppose I want to send this message as a confidential mail. So for that, what will you do? You have to move your mouse pointer a little down. You will see one of the option appears here, this type. This option will help you to send the confidential mail with passcode or without passcode. So let's see, click this. Soon you click this mail, you find one of the confidential mode dialog box appear this way. You can see here the confidential mode appears here, and then after you can see recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download the mail. Means who will receive this mail, they cannot copy, forward, print and download. Then after you can see here there is a option. This option you can see expiration, means this message can also be sent, this mail can also be sent with a validity period of time. Here by default 1 week the validity is given, means after 1 week the mail will be automatically deleted from recipient inbox. And then after here you can see require passcode. We have two options here. One option is no SMS passcode and one option is SMS passcode. Let's we learn these all two options one by one. First of all, we will learn how to send a mail without passcode, means we will use these options first. No SMS passcode. So select this option and click this save option. Soon you do so, you find one of the confirmation message box appears just like this. Here you can see the content expire June 12, 2020. and the important message is also displayed here, that you can see that the recipient won't have option to forward, copy, print or download the mail. Then after you click this send option, this mail will be sent and one of the confirmation message will be displayed here. Now to check this mail, let me open my another mail. Let me open my Rediff mail account. You can see here I have already opened my Rediff mail account here. Then after click this inbox. Soon I click this inbox, you can see that I have recently received one of the mail here, which I have recently sent from my Gmail account. Click this, you can see that there is no message directly displayed, there is no mail directly displayed. You can see here there is an option given to me, view the mail. Soon I click this view the mail. Then after you can see the message will be displayed here. You can see here the message is displayed just here. There is a confidential meeting today at 4 p.m. in the meeting hall. So this way a confidential mail can be opened which have no SMS passcode, but which have SMS passcode that can be seen, that can be accessed in another way. So let us see that how can we see a mail with passcode. Once again go to the Gmail. This is my Gmail account. Once again you follow the same process to send a mail. Here suppose I type again the same mail, and then after write here, suppose in the subject I write here confidential mail with passcode, and then after I write here there is a meeting in the meeting hall today at 4 p.m. Suppose I write here this time 2 p.m. and then after you have to move your mouse down here. You can see this option. This is the option which help you to send a confidential mail with passcode or without passcode. Click this option. Soon you click this option, you find one of the confidential mode dialog box appears here. Here you can see one of the option is here, require passcode. Here just now recently we have gone through this option, but now we will go for this option. Select this option, means SMS with passcode. This option, if you use this option, viewer need to verify the passcode received on his registered mobile number, means the mobile number which I will recommend here, I will assign here. Let us see how does it work. Click this SMS passcode and click this save option. Soon you click this save option, you can see one of the confirmation message appears here, as you can see here, that content expires June 12, 2020, and the message for the recipient is given here, that recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download the mail. Then after move your mouse pointer a little below, you click this send option. Soon you click this send option, you find one of the dialog box appears here, in which you have to type one of the mobile number on which the SMS passcode will be sent for the proper identity verification. Here suppose I type my mobile number. Remember, here you have to type the mobile number of the person to whom you are sending the mail, and this mobile number must be functioning and must be active. Why? Because the passcode will be received on this mobile number, and unless the passcode is properly verified, the mail cannot be opened. So the passcode received on this mobile number must be verified first. You can see. Then after you have to click this send option. The soon you click the send option, one of the send message confirmation appears here. it means this message has been sent. I have sent this confidential mail to my own account of Rediff Mail. So let me tell you, go to the Rediff Mail account. I have already opened my Rediff Mail account here. Also you can see the confidential mail with passcode has also been received here. Here you click this mail, you will see that message is not directly displayed here. You can see here the message is not directly displayed, the mail is not directly displayed. Here one of the option we find view the mail. So first of all you will have to click this view the mail option. Soon you click this view the mail option, the next dialog box is opened. Here you find one of the confirmation dialog box appears. Here one of the option we find send passcode, and unless this passcode is successfully verified the mail will not be displayed. The passcode, soon you click this passcode option, you will receive one of the passcode to this mobile number. So let us see how does it work. Click this passcode, send passcode option. Soon I click this send passcode option, I find one of the field appears here, enter passcode. In this enter passcode field you have to fill the passcode which has been received on this mobile number. Now I have received my passcode, so I will put my passcode here. My passcode is 697432. This is my passcode I received on my mobile number. Put this passcode and then after click this submit option. Soon I click the submit option, we find that mail is displayed here. You can see the mail is displayed here. There is a meeting in the meeting hall today at 2 p.m. So this is the feature of confidential mail with passcode. You can see that mail cannot be accessed without the proper verification of the identity. You understood the confidential mode, how to send a mail with passcode or without passcode, and how a recipient cannot copy, forward, print and download the mail. That's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends and let them also be benefited of it. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of my new videos. If you have any question, query or valuable suggestions, please let me know down in the comment box. Your valuable suggestions and cooperations help me to do the best in upcoming videos. My name is Suman Mehta. I thank you so much for watching.